What's up, guys? So we are on the way to go ahead and finish part 1 of our client Vans Gen 5. We went and go ahead and took off the OEM bumper right now, so it's my time to go and make sure all the lighting's installed 100%. We're gonna install the bulbs, the headlights, the fog lights, and the custom T-harness that's required for all my 10 and 13 Camaro's. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in to all the install and show you guys all the details that's required for those headlights to be on your vehicle. All right, guys, these headlights, 10 to 13 owners, we want you to know that you can upgrade your headlights to the Gen 6 style headlights. Now, the only two options that we need to know when it comes to converting these headlights, do you have the RS package or the non-RS package? This is an SS Camaro with an RS package lighting. Therefore, we need to make the RS harness that we make by hand in-house. The second harness that we need to know, if you don't come with the RS package headlights, we'll get you the non-RS halogen headlight harness, which is a little bit more work to do, but it is available. What are these harnesses that I'm talking about? Let's go ahead and show you guys details about these harnesses so you guys know exactly what we're talking about when it comes to upgrading your headlights from the OEM to the Gen 6 style. All right, guys, so we just finished installing this headlight. Let me run it down exactly what we had to do to make sure everything is nice and secure to have a functional headlight with the light bulbs and ready to connect to the custom T-harness. These are the headlights that we offer on our website that also comes in with the D2S. Yes, the headlights don't come with any light bulbs from the manufacturer, so therefore we do offer an LED kit for you guys to make sure you guys will get everything all at once. Now, in order to install these D2S LED bulbs, you guys have to connect the harness that comes in the box. And once you connect it, to make sure you line up the red with the positive and the negative with the black, so make sure you have all charges at the same equal level. Now you take off the socket in the back of the headlight. And once you guys take out, the first thing you want to probably do is this garment right here, go ahead and take it out and flip it to the other side. Just because it's pointing downwards, so it you don't want to hit the fan that has the LED lights with it, so it keeps it nice and cool and it doesn't overheat. So once I do that, I just take it out, put it from underneath, go ahead and put the garment upside down. And you want to have the point garment end of it pointing outside when I close the headlight. So this part should be pointing outside of the headlight socket, so therefore it does not touch the LED fan. You guys see there's a connector that comes with the headlight and also a red socket. This connector, I'll go ahead and cut it. And once I cut it, I'm gonna go ahead and connect the positive with the green and the negative with the black. Therefore, these two charges are equally to make these LED lights function low beams and high beams. Lastly, I take the green socket off the headlight. I take the socket off the bulbs. I insert it into the halogen projector headlights. I put the green socket back. I click it. I install everything and then put everything back and you should be good to go. Guys, as you can see, the bumper is being prepped on this beautiful Gen 5 right next to me. One of the main reasons why we like to do prepping, it's not major prepping, it's not fiberglass, that's the cool thing, it is PP, so it's very flexible and easy to work with. We just like to kind of sand down the surface so everything is nice and leveled, so when we throw the sealer and the primer, there's no cracking or miswaving with anything. All right, guys, so we just installed the headlights, the light bulbs, the custom T-harness, and the fog lights ready to go. All we have left now is to make sure to paint the bumper extremely well to make sure it matches, and we might offer our client a paint correction job just so we can revive everything all together. You know, we're putting a plastic bumper freshly painted versus fenders and hood that's not plastic, so it might differentiate just a little bit, so therefore we can offer that paint correction job to revive everything and matches and make it look brand new. Without further ado, let's finish everything up. Let's go back to the office, show you guys what we got in there. I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, so let's take you guys to our shipping department, show you guys what we got going on. We got plenty of bumpers that we have to ship out to you guys, so we appreciate you guys' patience. As you know, we did send out a massive email to everybody that did pre-order with us. So on the 1st week of January, which is this week, everything must be shipped out. Everything's in stock. We're good on healthy and inventory. Thankfully, our container came. Let's show you guys a little bit behind the scenes, show you some highlights, to show you guys and bring you guys into pretty much what we do on a daily basis here at Auto Addicts USA. Before we get our hands on this car, we start taking everything apart. Let's go over and highlight this beautiful build. As you can see, it's got a beautiful, awesome stance with a nice aggressive front and rear wheel setup. One of my favorite things that she's got in the rear, which I love, it's a must go-to mod to add, is the Euro taillight. So if you guys want to get a closer look at, she's got the smoky with the clear lens, and it's got the sequential signals. So we'll go ahead and highlight that. And then look at this two-tone carbon fiber. She's got the spoiler with the wicker bill in carbon fiber, a very unique touch, something that you don't see a lot of Mustang owners do. They usually do a carbon spoiler and then just a regular glass wicker bill, but this is a carbon on carbon product. It is available for all the Mustang owners if you guys are interested in doing this with us. Now, the straight arrow rear diffuser, one of the most popular diffusers in the market that a lot of guys or ladies, female owners like to do when it comes to modifying their cars. It gives a different look, appearance, and a very aggressive look with the shark fins in the middle and a nice flat base. And overall, we're super excited. Our focus on this build is to giving the car a really front-end aggressive appearance with the stands that she's rocking right now. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. We gotta take the car to our body shop, get everything powdered out, start prepping the bumper, and I'll show you guys everything when it comes to process painting the front bumper. You have a clear bra protection right here.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, that's what that is. That's a clear bra protection. We can leave it on there, no problem, or we can remove it, but this protects it from the rocks. So I think, yeah, this is all clear bra protection. So we might have to remove this so the wrap could come out cleaner, or else it's gonna show with the outlines here. Yeah, so it's pretty much a bra for the car. It's up to here. So from right here, this is the line that starts and this is where it ends. Man, but worth it, but we'll see. I mean, no, if you get the F-type, it'll be dope too, because you can like wrap it, do some cool things to it, because it has an aggressive front end. I'm for sure gonna pull through the underground. Yeah, sounds good. Well, let me know if you need anything else, we'll be good to go. Okay. So, oh, love, man. I'll talk to you soon. Okay. Thank you. Alrighty. What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Back again at it. We have a beautiful Hot Wheel edition right next to me. Shout out to Jason for always just being our #1 supporter. He's been modding his car with us since day one. We wrapped it, we unwrapped it, we painted it. We're adding a carbon fiber hood. As you can see, the T2 is fully equipped, the RGB color lighting. So let's go ahead and show you guys a breakdown of when we install this carbon fiber hood and let you guys know the final results on this beautiful Hot Wheel edition. Guys, as you can know right now, as I'm installing the heat shield for Jason, the #1 thing when it comes to #1 thing when it comes to purchasing a carbon fiber hood, you guys need to get a heat shield. That heat shield will protect all the heat that's coming out from your engine bay, whether you have a V6 and SS and ZL1, and we got interrupted by the air compressor. So yeah, make sure you get your heat shield, guys. Okay, brother man, so how do you like it first?
Man, bro,
a whole different game for you anyway.
It was gonna come out nice, but it came out nice.
A lot nice. There you go. It's a tri-coat. So one of my favorites is the gloss black with the tri-coat. Now here's what we noticed on the fenders that we wanted to obviously offer those services. Like, you know, we could have touched this up with the paint correction, but I'm glad that you're interested in wrap. What we can do is literally just sand it down and primer it without painting it and just wrap over it. Because if we wrap over this, it's gonna show all these imperfections, you know, and it's not gonna make the wrap look good in a way. We'll be good. Yeah. Let me turn on some lights so you can see how aggressive it looks. Yeah. Give me 1 second. All right. There we go. Yeah, of course. Yeah. So at nighttime or during the day, this is the mean aggressive look that everybody loves to do. Yeah. So it's a whole different look for you.
It's your boy Van Lord. I'm out here at Auto Addicts right now. From the Beta LA, they gave me a brand new bumper on the Camaro. Man, I love it. We got much more work to do. This is just the beginning. From the Beta LA, shout out Auto Addicts. Y'all did a good job.
All right, guys, as you guys see, Van just picked up his SS. Super happy and excited for him. We appreciate you, Van, for giving us the opportunity, driving all the way from the Bay 2 times in a week. That's crazy. Really, thank you for the opportunity, brother. Now, you guys got to stay tuned. This vlog will gonna be end. Today is Friday, so that means we gotta close out all the content for you guys, and we're gonna post all next week's content that we have ready for you guys. If you guys have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that sub button, give that video a thumbs up, and if you guys need to know every time we post, what you need to do is hit that bell button somewhere around these corners on the screen. I can't wait to show you guys what we got next week, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.